Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique gardening experience with the White Bark Pine Tree Seed Grow Kit by the Johnstein Company. If you're looking to grow your own tree from seed, this might just be the perfect kit for you. Let's explore why it's considered one of the best pine tree seedlings for sale on the market. Inside this kit, you'll find everything you need to start growing your very own white bark pine. It includes seeds, a specially formulated growing medium, a mini greenhouse to create the perfect environment for germination, and detailed instructions to guide you through the process. This kit is 100% complete, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. The Johnstein Company guarantees germination of the seeds. If your seed fails to sprout or the seedling doesn't thrive, they'll replace it for free. Beyond its practicality, growing a tree from seed is a symbolic journey of life, growth, and resilience. It also makes for a meaningful and eco-friendly gift. In conclusion, the White Bark Pine Tree Seed Grow Kit from the Johnstein Company offers a rewarding experience for anyone interested in gardening or nature. With its comprehensive contents and symbolic value, it stands out as one of the top choices for pine tree seedlings available online. Whether you're adding to your garden or looking for a thoughtful gift, this kit delivers on both quality and purpose. That wraps up our review of the White Bark Pine Tree Seed Grow Kit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or experiences with tree growing kits like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.